Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating your Fortnite right here on your Nintendo Switch. Anyways, if you guys don't see it updating by itself, once you tap on it and you try to get into it and it just kicks you out, you can go ahead and just press the plus sign on your controller. It's going to take you here, and then go right here into software update, your second option. From there you should be able to just update it. Right now it's saying downloading, and you can always manage the software. So you can go ahead and delete it. If something's really happening, like it's really stuck for some reason, you can always delete Fortnite and reinstall it. However, for most of you, that's not going to be the case. You're going to be okay. As long as you try to even go into Fortnite, it's going to kick you out. It's just going to download the update by itself. You can also do what I just told you. Just go into the settings and then go ahead and update it from here. So that's with the plus sign on your controller. If you want this to go faster, you could hook up your Nintendo Switch. Just go ahead and set it up in your stand. So go ahead, put in that home base, hook up an Ethernet cable directly to it, and then to your router. And there you go. It's going to be a lot faster. And right now, yep, if we try to click on it, you're going to see this, downloading options and start software. Never start software because it's just not going to work. Plus, you're going to get in its way. Now the download speed does depend on your internet speed. So if you're downloading a bunch of other things or you're streaming a lot, this might take longer than others. You can also go into download options. However, this is just to cancel your download if it's stuck for some reason and then restart it. But anyways, we're just going to go back on it. And here we go. We just have to wait for it. Now remember, once the update's done and you try to run Fortnite, you might still be in downtime. So it might not log you into the game because it can't. It's going to say server's not responding, which is 100% fine because any new huge update with a new season, there's always downtime. Once downtime is over, we can go ahead and play Fortnite. So if I were you guys, if you see that screen once you're done with the download, just go ahead, turn it off, come back later once it's over, and then you get to play Fortnite. There's no reason why you would have your Fortnite screen turned on or be trying and retrying again because nothing's gonna happen. Anyways, as far as this video goes, that's it. That's how you guys can update right here Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.